So can you tell us more about your company and what do you do?
Yeah, so we're Advanta Industries, and we're actually an automotive manufacturer who also has some energy sector business. Um, we do a lot of large weldments, so a little different than what you see traditionally done on cobots. So 12 foot by 10 foot, 8 foot by 6 foot, stuff you wouldn't see on a cobot table. What we've done is actually pair up cobots working together to handle these large weldments so that our employees can go and benefit from taking those mundane tasks out of their hands and move on to doing the complicated work.
Excellent. And can you tell us a little bit more about the setup you have with the Cobot?
Yeah, so we actually have 8 cobots total, 4 in our South Carolina plant and 4 in our Petersburg, Michigan plant. We have 2 paired up on one table and then 2 set off individually. They're doing small parts while the 2 paired up are doing large weldments.
And how was that technology received by your company and your team?
It was scary at first, just from employees thinking it's going to replace them, but what it's actually done is really enhance our employees, let them prove that, hey, now I can have 4 welders running at the same time. It's now improving my value for the company.
Excellent. And what was the setup of the company before investing in those cobots? Did you have any prior experience, other welding robots?
We actually had 0 welding robots or cobots at the time, so it was come to Fabtech 2 years ago, I believe. Looked at them, noticed that, hey, this could help us maybe supplement the lost employees that we've had due to COVID and some of the other situations, and it's really just helped us prosper.
Excellent. And how did you find the process of setting those cobots up and learning that technology?
It was actually extremely easy. I mean, they pretty much come almost fully assembled. You're mounting the robot to the table, and programming is just as easy as it can get.
Excellent. And do you have any future plan to expand your cobot?
Yeah, we're hoping in the next year we can actually double our cobots that we have on both floors and really kind of keep traveling down this road. So,
excellent. Well, have a great rest of show.
Thank you.